Hello YouTube and welcome to my 82nd VBA 2010 tutorial. This tutorial is going to show you how you can use dates in your VBA code. So I'm not going to write out this whole code again that I've been doing the last couple of tutorials. I'm literally just going to change the SQL string. And then that in turn is going to bring out a different record set for me and still write it out onto the page. All I'm going to do is just in my where section, I'm going to change it so that it selects a certain sales date. So in my sales table, I'm going to look for any sale that has already happened before today, let's say. So in fact, let's just look for anything that's on the 3rd. So let's bring out this one record here. So 3rd of the 1st 2014. So let's push this across and get it out of the way. And so we want to do where sale underscore date is equal to, and then we've been using the apostrophes or nothing for numbers. For the dates, you use hashtags, and then you just type your date in as a date value. And depending on what country you're in, you'll need to make sure you're using the appropriate format of. So I'm using day, month, year. If you're using American dates, then you want to do month, day, year, and then that will select all of the ones for that month. So let's just check and clear our object, and then when we run this, we should see that we get just the one record in. So let's press play, go on to view object, and it's not bringing anything through, and that is because it only works in American format, and I just wanted to show you that so you just remember that you always put it as month and then day and then 2014. And what we're going to need to do is just now when we press play and we go into our code, it's going to bring it through now. So just make sure that you're doing it month, day, year. And what you're going to need to do is sometimes if you've say got a date object, it's going to put it in automatically for you. So let's say we put in, instead of having one that I've typed in, we have date, and then that's going to give us today's date, which is the 4th. If we press play and then come across here, then it's not actually going to put anything in. If we press play again, then you'll see nothing's coming in. So what we need to do is we need to make sure we format this date in the right way. So put format our expression, which is date, and then comma, and then the format we want. So we want month slash day slash year, close bracket, and then when we press play, it's going to bring it through now because we've got our date in the right order when it's added in as a text string. So you just always need to use this format here, which is very important. Can be quite hard with dates. It took me a little while to get used to them when I first started using them. So if you've got any questions, post them in the comments below, or if they're a bit more advanced questions, you want to paste your codes, then pop onto the forum and put them on there. I check the forum every day, so you should get a pretty quick response. And if you like these tutorials, please subscribe, add us on Facebook, follow us on Google+, and share with your friends. Thanks for listening, and I hope to catch you in the next tutorial where I'm going to be showing you how to use the between statement. So thanks for listening, and I hope to catch you soon.